Okay, this 3 million square foot factory is 100% solar. Let me show this to you. Come on inside. Come inside over here. Okay, so we're in the solar room right now. Keely's gonna follow me, and I want to show you guys. Everything inside here is solar controllers, batteries, storage, power, and this completely takes care of the whole factory's power needs on the roof. And we're going to drone this. Is every single coverage of solar panel as you can think of. This is the first side of the factory, and then we have the other side being built, but it is all 100% solar. Okay, so this room completely controls all of the air requirements, all of the tooling. Air compressors inside here, and it takes care of everything out into the factory that requires air. In this part of the factory, we have all the laser cutters. As you can see, we have a line of laser cutters. I'm going to show you some of the procedures that these cutters go through right now. For the manifolds, we're making our own gas manifolds, and we're laser cutting the holes for the valves to be able to clamp onto the manifolds. Most of the factory is holding materials. We take the raw materials in rolls, we create a finish on them from a blank canvas, and then we go ahead and stick them through the machines that will cut them, and I'll show you those machines. When you're making a product, you're going to be utilizing molds, you're going to be using tooling. We make our own tooling here, and we create our own molds. Let me show you. Here's one of the CNC machines and one of the engineers. In the back, they're polishing one of the molds, and as you can see all the way down here, we have engineers that only work on molds and work on tooling, and then all of the tooling is stored in this section over here. This section over here we have specialty bending, and it goes all the way down until we hit the robots, and then the robots will do the bending for us when we have very, very high production. And this is the type of product that we're finishing. This is a barbecue's infrared back burner. These are where the lights go, and obviously valve, ignition, all the rest of the stuff. So this is the back panel of a barbecue. This complete section over here is all the hydraulic clamp all the way. first stage of the hydraulic press for this particular product. What we're going to do is we're going to put in a blank canvas, which normally starts out with one of these pieces of metal. And then we put it into the press, which goes ahead and creates a basic basin or whatever you tooled it for. From there, it moves into different sections of the presses to create different effects within the actual basin that you're pushing the metal into. Multiple steps like we showed you over here, and this is what it will turn out to be. This will go through quality control, and then it will head off to be finished powder coating or porcelain enamel. Most of the procedures and processes being powder coated, it will sit here to get the equipment installed, and that's a completely different place. But these are finished powder coating, and now they will go get all of the different burners and different electronics put in to the actual product in an assembly line. So this is our testing lab over here, and our testing lab is certified with multiple organizations to be able to test within our facility, and there's not many factories that have this. I want to go through the different equipment that we have. This piece of equipment over here will test the pressure on the package to see if that package can withstand being stacked with other products. We've got the shape test over here. This is really important because we want to see how the screws, the nuts, the bolts, and how we package everything and hold that down once it's moving within the container, moving within UPS, and being delivered to the customer. Do the bolts, do the nuts shake out? Do we need to change something, or do we need to change the torque on the different pieces within the barbecue? And also, how do we package this barbecue? Okay, over here is a UPS certified drop test. I don't know if you guys have seen one of these before. I will show you on another video on how this works. But this product is going to be dropped from different heights to get certified by UPS. So once the product is set up, and obviously we have it flat in all different angles, they hit the button, and then this arm will push away. It will drop on the floor, and we will see what happens to the package, whether it's going to be certified. This is a high temperature oven test. So let me show you inside this product. And it's like a kiln. So we're going to see whether this product can withstand extreme temperatures and what's going to happen to the materials. This is a thermocouple room. There is hundreds of thermocouples inside here, and what happens is we're going to read the ambient temperature outside the barbecue. And that temperature will tell us whether it's going to be certified or not. This piece of equipment cost about $60,000, and all of the thermocouples are over here, labeled on the floor. And this is the piece of equipment that we use to read the temperatures around the barbecue. Over here, tilt test is going to tell us whether it will tipple over at different angles. This is a requirement by most of the testing labs. Over here is a wind tunnel test. This is awesome because a lot of the equipment will be put into high wind areas. So here is the wind tunnel over here, and we will measure how much wind this product can take before it blows out, or if there's any other effect to combustion. Over here we have the rain test. The rain test is a requirement as well, so we have placed a small barbecue in there. And then over here is salt spray, and the salt spray is required as well, but it's also going to tell you about your product and how long your product's materials will last outside in the environment. I'm going to show you. So these engineers work an extremely long day. It's about 8 o'clock. We've got the engineering team with some post-production samples, just looking through them. We do not let stuff fly through. Myself and Agile, we will go through every piece of equipment and make sure with the engineers that they're making the best product they possibly can. And I'm going to show you what we look for. Okay, so we're in our showroom, and in our showroom we're trying to show the most advanced equipment that we have, not just old models. This is going to be at the show in Germany. It is a completely flat pack island system. Pizza ovens, barbecues, barbecue carts over here. This barbecue is one of the barbecues that we have just put together for show to show that we can do porcelain enamel. One of the only factories in China that actually have the line at our factory. So we have porcelain enamel, we obviously have stainless steel, and over here is all of the specialty stainless steel barbecues. Specialty means the very high-end barbecues, which require a lot of technical and very, very expensive laser equipment to manufacture correctly, as well as mid-range barbecues in stainless steel. So any of these barbecues, whether they're charcoal, whether they are fully stainless steel, will be made at our factory. Again, some more porcelain enamel barbecues and some built-in professional stainless steel barbecues. We get into the portable barbecues and the electric barbecues and the pellet barbecues. We make a ton of those. And in this section over here, you will see the pellet barbecues that we manufacture. And these are the generic style pellet barbecues, super inexpensive and high volume barbecues. Again, porcelain enamel, patio heaters, price point stainless steel barbecues, and these are the ones that you will see Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards. We specialize in Kamado parts. So anything to do with Kamado, whether it's grates, grills, tops, cooking grates, accessories, we manufacture for most of the Kamado companies in China. Pizza oven is the biggest thing right now. So these are pizza oven toppers and also portable, quick and portable barbecues in stainless steel. These are fire pits made out of corten steel. And then again, another, we do manufacture for some of the biggest barbecue companies in the world. So these are some of their pieces that are sitting over here. You should recognize this one in different colors. And again, we go over to the specialty barbecues over here. These barbecues are high temperature power burners, and again, Fireside Burners, and specialty stainless steel barbecues. We're going to go over this section over here. The factory specializes in our Guangzhou factory on all of the fire pits, and we manufacture them there, as well as the brand new aluminum fire pits. We have the factory over here just across the road, and everything looks like wood. In this section over here, you're looking at pizza ovens. The pizza ovens themselves, we go from the large pizza ovens, which are gas, wood-fired, over to the smaller pizza ovens, and then obviously we specialize in the pizza ovens. We do manufacture all of the stainless steel accessories and the drop-in burners, but this is our Guangzhou factory. We do not have the equipment over here yet. And along that wall, you're looking at specialty accessories. We've got into the RV market. This is a drop-in double burner for RVs, especially in America. And then again, we're working on all the different fire pits at our other factory. We will be getting into built-in and drop-in and slide-in kitchen equipment, but that is a project for next year. So this is our basic showroom, and we have another showroom in Guangzhou that has all of the equipment that we make there, which is rotisseries and burners and the glass and everything that you would have for the firesides. Okay, so this is the second part of the factory that's being built. It'll be probably together in about 3 months. This is going to be the manufacturing side for specialty products, and this is all across the road from our other factory, which runs all the way from that section all the way over there. So altogether, with this manufacturing and the lines, we're at about 3 million square feet.